fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and today we are going to do the long awaited, or long overdue shall I say, spring/summer tablescape. I wanted to say to you guys that I am a southern girl, so I do fill my spaces with and it's nothing that reflects how educated I am or anything to that nature. It's just the fact that that's what I do. I've had so much stuff going on in my life. I recently almost lost my mother, and of course the grandbaby, and renovating the house, and it's just been so much that I've been unable to really focus on my channel the way I want to. I haven't deserted you guys. I am going to try to upload another video before Sunday or Monday. I also wanted to come up here and say hi to all our new YT family members. I am so glad you decided to join us, and I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you guys. Now, because our channel is growing so fast, and for God be to glory to that, the way I reply to you guys is you'll see me hit the heart and hit the like button if it's a general comment. If you ask me a question, I generally try to answer that question or direct you in the path to get that question answered. If you suggest something that I think is like really good, then I will reply on that as well. With our tablescape, I am when you first see it, you will see that our massive centerpiece is already adorned on it, as well as another piece that I am incorporating into this tablescape. It's the first time I've ever used it, so I want you guys to be open and honest with me what you think about it. Now, our tablescape is going to be simple yet elegant with a touch of glam to it. Once again, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all our new YT family members, all your suggestions, all your comments. It means so much to me to have you guys support. And with that, I know this intro is long, but I have to give credit where credit is due, and I owe you guys so much credit. And continue to share our videos, continue to like them, continue to have people to subscribe to it, direct people to our channel so we can grow. Our next big giveaway is when we hit 50,000 subscribers, and we're way over half there. So we're going to keep pushing forward. We're going to keep doing what we do. And again, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. And okay, we're going to get into the spring tablescape. I love you guys. Bye bye. Guys, there it is, the tablecloth. And as you can see in this shot, I have the 3 pedestals DIYs that we made before, along with the chargers and the placemats. The placemats are from Michaels, and they are just their standard 12 by 12 sheets of paper. And then I have the silver round mats from Walmart. I got that design idea from Sharon C. So Fabulous. And as you can see, we have a dark charger, white plate, fuchsia like napkins, and then the saucer I have is a DIY also with bling around it. And then you have the white bowl with the bunny and the rose in it. And I have plain drinking glasses, and as you can see, the mirror runner is still down the center, and I did that because I wanted the mirror to act as a coaster as well. And there you have the view of the entire table from beginning to end. I think it turned out lovely. And there's, like I said, the bowl with the bunny and the rose inside. And now the place setting consists of a 12 by 12 craft paper from Michaels. It's the shiny one. The silver placemat from Michaels as well. And that's an overlay, and I learned that technique from Sharon. She's so fabulous. And we have the hot pink chargers from Michaels, white Dollar Tree plate, fuchsia napkin place on top of the plate, a Dollar Tree saucer with bling trim. It's a DIY. A Dollar Tree white bowl with a bunny with bling ears and tails. That's also a DIY. With the pink and white rose, Dollar Tree drinking glasses, and Dollar Tree silverware. Guys, I really think that this is a simple yet elegant with a little bit of bling for my bling girls table setting. I think it would be nice for anyone to sit at, and they will be pleased with it. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys is where I made a boo-boo when I was doing the second half of the centerpiece. Right here where I'm showing you, I forgot to put the mirrors on top, and as you can see, it's clear. It looks clear all the way through, and that's because there's no mirror at the top of it to block the lights. So you can use it without the mirrors, and the lighting that you put on the top will be sufficient for the bottom. You won't have to put the things in the bottom. Okay guys, so here's the overview of the table. I'm showing you the pillows on one end with the Our Family saying, and then the scoop from that white canister right there. I got the canister from Goodwill, and it was lacking the spoon, so I got a Dollar Tree spoon and put some bling on the end of it, and I think that add a great addition to the bling part. And here's an up close picture of the saucer with the bling around it. And guys, that candle holder, the silver candle holder, was another DIY I did for some. I think I made a video of it. If not, it's easy to make, and I'll just walk you through the steps. And isn't that a massive, beautiful centerpiece? I love the way it turned out. And then we have the three cake stands or candle stands, or you can use it for anything. It was a DIY for last Easter. So there is the tall candle that was a DIY, and it gives the table a little bit more height, but it's not obstructing anything. And as you see guys, I made it a 6-seater this year instead of an 8-seater, and I think I like that as well. So I'm gonna just let you see the overview of the table, and I'm just gonna tell you guys thank you so much for your love and support. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share this video, and just let me know down in the comments what you think. I love you guys. Bye.